Kalenda ya mathomo iria karumirirwo wona Thukuru cia hinguru mwaka ukite yaya gugakorwo ari ngurani na mutaratara uria ukoretwo kirumirirwo kwa ihinda. Akiaria kaunti-ini ya Murang'a, Minista wa githomo George Magoha augite mogaruruku matiganite ni megukinyanirio niguo arutwo macoka thukuru makahota gutwarithia na mbere mathomo hatari gute mwaka ungi mugima.
And we still hope that as we even open in January, we shall be able to rearrange the timetable in such a way that the children do not lose the whole academic year.
Ihinda-inĩ riu kanjo ya igeranio ni gukorwo ikimurika mogaruruku maria magitafanio mutaratara-ini wa igeranio cia arutwo a grade ya kana kirathi gya kanana na form 4.
As far as examinations are concerned, we are going ahead to prepare the students for exams, and the exams shall be done. We shall tweak a timetable which we shall make public very, very soon, but it will not be materially different from the one that we had given before.
Magoha ni ugite thukuru nyingi ni irikitie gukinyaniria mitaratara iri gathikitwo, no ningi akiuga mehariria makiria no marafatarania mbere ya arutwo othe gucokereria thukuru.
The teachers, the stakeholders, the boards of management and any other benefactors, that we should continue to prepare the schools towards the opening around the 3rd of January of 2021.
Hamwe na mehaririria maria matanyitwo gukinyanirio ni uheani wa ite na metha cia arutwo mathukuru-ini mothe aria othe mahetwo kandarathi cia waki uyu na ni marikitie wira wao magitanyo gukorwo makiamukira mbeca ciao gukinyiria wa gatano kiumia giukite.
Because we are going to do 100% inspection, 100%, and those who have been inspected under the hands of the authorized officers at the ground, then money should be sent immediately through M-Pesa to those artisans. For those artisans who are very good and fast and have completed, if there are some that are too slow and have a lot of work, they can be given, some of this work can be shared.
Mihango ya waki wa ite na metha ici ukoretwo ugikururia kaunti ya Murang'a na Kirinyaga ikigwetwo ithabu-ini riri. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Ngina wa Wadurwa.